In this video, I'll show you how to build your first GitHub action. GitHub Actions lets you automate tasks inside your repository. You can use it to run tests, check code, build projects, deploy websites, or perform repeated tasks whenever something happens in your GitHub project. First, open GitHub in your browser and go to the repository where you want to create the action. Make sure you have permission to edit the repository. Next, click the Actions tab near the top of the repository page. GitHub may show suggested workflow templates based on your project. For your first action, you can start with a simple workflow instead of choosing something complex. Now click Set up a workflow yourself or create a new file manually inside your repository. GitHub Actions workflows are stored in a folder called .github/workflows. Inside that folder, create a file with a name like first-action.yml. In the workflow file, you define when the action should run and what steps it should perform. For example, you can create a workflow that runs whenever code is pushed to the main branch. A simple workflow can check out your repository and print a message. It may include a name, an event trigger, a job, and steps. The job runs on a virtual machine, such as Ubuntu, and each step performs one part of the automation. After adding the workflow file, scroll down and commit the changes. Use a clear commit message, such as Add First GitHub Action. Once the file is committed, go back to the Actions tab. You should see your workflow listed there. If the workflow was triggered by your commit, click it to view the run details. Open the latest run and check the logs. If everything worked, you should see the action complete successfully. From here, you can build more useful actions, such as running tests, installing dependencies, checking code quality, or deploying your project automatically. GitHub Actions is powerful because it saves time and keeps your development workflow consistent. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.